Hi there, welcome back to my channel. I hope you are doing good. So today we are going to see how you can back up your data in Redis. So let's get started with today's video. So for taking backup of your data, you can use two commands. One is save and one is bg save. So how they are differentiated. So save is basically will block your Redis instance and bg save is non-block. So it will be like running in background. So your any like insertion, deletion, these things will not be affected. So save command basically is used in any emergency or manual like snapshot you need to take. Otherwise bg save is like for regular, like let's say in a month you are taking backup, so bg save is preferred. So I have installed Redis in Docker. So let me show you some configurations file. So before starting to take backup, you need to make some configuration changes. So you can log into Docker container and see files there as well. I'm just here in like Docker UI only, I'm just showing you. So here you can go to opt redis stack etc and redis stack.config. So here I'm writing save 60 and third will be number of keys. So let's say one I'm passing as of now. So this means that in every 60 seconds take a snapshot if one key is present. So now I have logged into my Redis instance. So here I'm just setting one key, let's say test and 10. So it says that your key is set. Now let's key start. So here you can see test key is there. Now let's run save and now let's say exit. So this save command will create a one file dump.rdb. So here after exit I'm in Docker container. So let's see ls here. So now we need to check in cd data ls here. So here you can see dump.rdb. So this is one type that you can apply using rdb. So there is another that is append only file. So this will create one file that will be append only.kof. Here it will log each operations, so it's more durable option than rdb. So you can apply same in redis config. You can enable this using append only as yes. So this has also drawback that it file size can grow larger, so we need to rewrite periodically. So third option also is like that is a combination of rdb plus aof file. So for taking backup of your data, you can apply strategy that is like you can use regular backups as well, apply rdb snapshots periodically, and apply aof as well for durability. And to maintain aof, you need to just periodically run bg rewrite aof so that its file size do not increase. Third which you can apply is having offsite backup. So periodically copy or dump.rdb and AOF files to somewhere anywhere other like cloud or any other hardware. So now let's see how you can restore. So if you are using RDB, so you just need to place dump.rdb file into your Redis data directory and restart Redis. So it will load the snapshot automatically. For AOF, Redis will automatically restore data from the AOF file on restart. So nothing to be done manually. But if you want to restore manual, then you can use Redis check AOF tool to fix your AOF file. And if you are using both the approaches, then AOF file will be given priority, and if that file is corrupted or unavailable, then RDB file will be in action. All in this video, I have just given you overview of backup, how you can take this. But if you want a detailed video, then let me know in the comment section. So that's all in this video. I hope you like this video. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much for watching.